I salute my parents, teachers, and all elders, respect, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country, and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
A very happy morning to everyone. Today's international and national news is brought to you by Varnia of Grade-IX Jasper. International news. US ends temporary protected status to South Sudan nationals. Families of missing Malaysian pastor activists win landmark lawsuit against government. National news. ED attaches assets worth 11.14 crore linked to Suresh Raina's Shikhar Dhawan in one pet case. Congress takes a decade center as Trump repeats India-Pakistan claim for the 58th time. Thank you and have a peaceful day ahead.
Happy morning everyone. Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Tanmay from Grade-IX Jasper. State news. Chief Minister Revanth Reddy reviews Jubilee Hills with ministers and predicts decisive win for the Congress. Sports news. Smriti Mandana nominated for the ICC Player of the Month. Australia restricts India to 167 runs over 8 wickets in 4th T20 International. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Vedant of Grade-IX Jasper. Weather report. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius, partly cloudy, wind speed 10 km per hour, humidity 57%. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. I am Srinika of Grade-IX Jasper brought you today's thought. And today's thought is, values are the roots, actions are the fruits. Nurture your roots and your life will automatically bloom. I will repeat my thought. Values are the roots and actions are the fruits. Nurture your roots and your life will automatically bloom. Here, our values are like roots. They give us strength and support. Our actions are the fruits. Our actions will be the fruits which will take care of our values and our life will automatically bloom. Here, I used metaphor. Values are compared to roots and actions are compared to fruits. Thank you. Have a great day.
Insightful morning to everyone. I am Brinda of Grade-IX Jasper and today's word is integrity. The quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. Friends, please spell after me. Integrity. I-N-T-E-G-R-I-T-Y. Integrity. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.
Happy morning everyone. Today's GK questions are brought to you by Vaishnavi of Grade-IX Jasper. Question number 1. Which moral value teaches us to treat everyone equally no matter rich or poor?
Equality.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is equality. Let us appreciate them. Question number 2. Which moral value tells us to respect teachers, elders and parents? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is respect. Let us appreciate them. What is the quality of understanding and sharing someone's feelings? I repeat my question. What is the quality of understanding and sharing someone's feelings? No, you did not pick any answer and the answer is empathy. Question number 4. Which moral value teaches us to speak the truth even when it's difficult?
Honesty.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is honesty. Let us appreciate them. Question number 5. What do we call the habit of helping others without expecting anything in return? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is kindness. Let us appreciate it. That's the end of today's GK question. Thank you and have a nice day.
A person's true wealth is not in money but in good values and character. A very happy morning to everyone. My name is Bhargavi. I am from Grade-IX Jasper. Today I want to talk about an important thing in our life, that is about moral values. Moral values are like guiding principles that help us choose what is right and avoid what is wrong. Values like honesty, kindness and respect and responsibilities makes our character strong and makes our life meaningful. They help us live peace and harmony with others and makes our society a better place. Our parents and teachers plays a great role in teaching us those values through their actions and words. In today's fast-moving world, it's very important to hold on to our moral values no matter what challenges we face. Moral values are like foundation of a happy and successful life. If you want your life to be happy and successful, then always follow moral values with you. In conclusion, moral values are like compass. They help us choose, they help us to go in a right path in our life. So let us promise to always carry our moral values with us. I want to end my speech with a quotation. Honesty, kindness and respect are small words but have greater power. Thank you and have a nice day.